Hola clase, hoy vamos a introducir las estaciones y los meses del año. So we're going to introduce the seasons, las estaciones, and the months, los meses of the year, del año. La primavera. Repite por favor. La primavera. La primavera means spring. And if you take a look, P-R-I is in the middle of the word spring, and P-R-I is how the word primavera begins. Okay. It is also the premier season of the year because winter technically starts in December, so spring is the first season that starts in the new year. Pre, if you think of that as a prefix, means before, and vera is actually the first part of the word for summer. So before summer is spring. The months considered to be part of spring: marzo, abril, mayo. Repite, por favor. La primavera, marzo, abril, mayo. El verano. Repite, por favor. El verano. Remember how I mentioned that la primavera, the vera was the first part of the word for summer, so spring is before summer. Well, here we see the vera. And notice that the V at the beginning makes a B sound. So el verano. And in the summer, if you go camping and you are in a forest and you see a bear, you go, ah, no, verano. El verano is summer. Notice you do not capitalize the seasons in Spanish nor in English. Los meses para el verano son junio, julio, agosto. Repite, por favor. El verano, junio, julio, agosto. Remember that your J's are like H's. Moving on in the year, we come to el otoño, clase. Repite, por favor. El otoño. So this one, el otoño, I take a look at the tilde on the end, and it reminds me of a leaf falling to the ground. Also, the leaves change their tone, their color in the fall. Y los meses del año para el otoño: septiembre, octubre, noviembre. Repite, por favor, clase. El otoño, septiembre, octubre, noviembre. And the final season, el invierno, clase. El invierno. You stay inside in the winter. You don't want to veer off the road and go, no! Okay, as the roads get icy. El invierno, clase. El invierno. And that happens to be the season winter. Los meses son diciembre, enero, febrero. Repite, por favor. El invierno, diciembre, enero, febrero. If you go to the non-video Google Slides of this presentation, you will be able to click up here for the song. We can do it here too. So make sure, as the song is going to go through 2 more times, I want you to try to be singing it, because if you can set vocabulary and grammar structures to some type of a tune or a rhythm, it's going to help you remember them so much better. So here, try to sing along the next 2 times. I should point out that junio and septiembre should not be capitalized. I did not catch that auto formatting ahead of time. So remember, you do not capitalize the months of the year in Spanish. You do in English, not in Spanish. If you do go to the regular Google Slides, there are 3 more songs that can help you with the months and the seasons. And now we're going to work with some questions. The first one is asking, when is your birthday? ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? Notice that cumple kind of looks like the word complete, and años like annual, so year. So when do you complete a year? You complete a year on your birthday. To answer that, you're going to say mi cumpleaños es el, and then you're going to choose your number and your month and put the word day in between them. So if your birthday was December 14th, you would say, mi cumpleaños es el 14 de diciembre. Mi cumpleaños es el 6 de mayo. You use regular numbers unless you were born on the first of the month. If you are born on the first of the month, the premier of that month, you get to use a special word, primero. Repite, por favor. Primero. Mi cumpleaños es el 1 de abril. All the rest, you use the regular numbers. To deal with weather, okay? Couple different ways to ask the question. ¿Cómo está el tiempo hoy? Or ¿qué tiempo hace hoy? You can leave out the hoy. That simply means today. So ¿qué tiempo hace? What's the weather like? And these all deal with it being warm. So if it's very hot, hace mucho calor. Repite, por favor. Hace mucho calor. Maybe it's just hot. Hace calor. It's warm. Está cálido. Está cálido. It's on the cooler side. Está fresco or hace fresco. Getting cold, hace frío, like freezing. And it's very cold, hace mucho frío. Hace mucho frío. If you wanted to find out what the weather was like and it's sunny out, ¿cómo está el tiempo hoy? Or ¿qué tiempo hace hoy? If the weather's agreeable, it's good weather. Está agradable. Está agradable. Está agradable. It's good weather. Hace buen tiempo. Hace buen tiempo. It's sunny. Hay sol. Or hace sol. You can also say está soleado. Está soleado. Maybe the weather is not sunny. Maybe it's not great weather. ¿Qué tiempo hace hoy? ¿Cómo está el tiempo hoy? Hace mal tiempo. It's bad weather. Está lloviendo. It's raining. Llueve. It's raining. Hay lluvia. There's rain. What about if it's snowing? ¿Cómo está el tiempo hoy? ¿Qué tiempo hace hoy? Está nevando. It's snowing. Nieva is also it's snowing. Hay nieve. There is snow. Y la nieve es blanca. La nieve es blanca. The snow is white. It's not sunny. It's not raining. It's simply cloudy. ¿Cómo está el tiempo hoy? ¿Qué tiempo hace? Está nublado. Está nublado. Maybe it's foggy. Hay niebla. Hay niebla. Remember, for nublado, it's kind of like the nebulas that are up in space, the cloudy part of our solar system and galaxy. What if there's thunder and lightning? You'll notice that in English we say thunder and lightning. In Spanish they actually say lightning and thunder. ¿Cómo está el tiempo hoy? ¿Qué tiempo hace hoy? Hace mal tiempo. It's bad weather. Hay rayos y truenos. Hay rayos y truenos. You can think of the rays like as the lightning bolts. Another way of saying it, hay relámpagos y truenos. Hay relámpagos y truenos. Both of those phrases refer to lightning and thunder. What if it's windy? ¿Cómo está el tiempo hoy? ¿Qué tiempo hace hoy? Hay viento. There's wind. Hace viento. It's windy. And there you have not only the seasons and the months, but some weather expressions that you can use with them.